Income history. What we are looking for is 2 years of verifiable income. Now, please keep in mind that income history and work history are two completely different things. In other words, you can have 2 years of income history and only have 6 months of work history on your current job. If, for example, you had a job for a year and a half previous to the job you have now, that would be 2 years of verifiable income history. Also, income history includes Social Security benefits and other benefits of that type. Also, not only those types of benefits are included, but also if you are self-employed, if you have 2 years of tax returns, that also counts as verifiable income. The biggest thing about income history is that income history is not changeable. You can't modify it. Either you were working or you weren't. Either you were earning money over the last 2 years that we can verify, or you were not. Let's talk about credit history. Though income history is not modifiable, credit history is. In order to understand how credit history can be modified, first you must understand the general business model for the credit bureaus. You see, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian have a general business model where they gather information and then sell the information that they have gathered. In other words, they are gathering information on you, how you pay your creditors, where you live, and etc. Then they in turn sell that information to anyone who wants to know more about you, anyone who would pull your credit. In the 70s, the federal government passed a law called the Fair Credit Reporting Act. You see, given the credit bureau's business model, it is important that the information that they gather is correct. So the Fair Credit Reporting Act basically says that if the credit bureaus have information on you and they're reporting that information, that they have to be able to verify that that information is correct. And though it's been revised several times since the 70s, that basic part of the law remains true. So that if the credit bureaus cannot definitively prove that an item belongs on your credit, it must be removed from your credit.